Today's event was the second annual Drone Safety Awareness Week. So this is our second year doing it here at Julian B. Lane Riverfront Park.
Clear prop.
So we just talk about drone safety. It's a growing industry and it is hazardous, and there's a lot of things to know. There is recreational and commercial sides of drones, people flying for fun and people flying for business.
It's the first time I'm actually able to pilot a drone, and I just got my Part 107 license. Coming out here today to be a part of this event promoting drone safety, drone awareness, and we shot some videos today, basically walking through all your steps from pre-flight, checking your batteries, make sure they're safe, maintaining line of sight with the drone while you're operating.
Before you turn the aircraft on, you want to make sure you do a thorough pre-flight.
Today this event's about drone awareness, safety awareness. The FAA has been trying to reach out to the drone pilots the best they can, and that's why they came up with this Drone Safety Week. So we can use these events like this to share what we've learned, what we're about to do, and also pass on best practices about drone operation, safe operations, Part 107, and remote pilot.
Flying a drone brings in two of my favorite loves. It's aviation and flying, and photography. So when you get to bring those two together, you know, so now I'm flying and I'm taking pictures, it's the best.
First time I took it up, flew over the water, it was awesome. I'm hooked. To have the opportunity to get exposed to something like this is really why events like this are awesome, is because, you know, even though I don't personally own one yet, being able to put my hands on it and fly it and see how easy it is to do.
Some of the common mistakes I've experienced so far is the lack of understanding the regulations or where to go to learn more about how to properly operate a drone.
I always tell everybody to go to faa.gov/UAS. You really want to go to that website to be familiar with all those rules, play around with it, read what it has to offer, register your drone there. It's just new for everybody, and it's just all new policies, all new regulations and laws that you have to know.
What I saw here today, a great group of people, my local drone pros getting together and putting on a great show to help educate, spread the word on UAS safety.
You might be walking through the park today and see the vests and all the cones and everything, and the big drone might seem a bit intimidating, but the second you put it in your hands and get a hang of it, it really kind of puts you at ease. I can definitely see the potential for a bunch of different applications, and to actually get my hands on it and fly it today was awesome.